Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do a dragon fruit trellis makeover. When I was doing some work out here a few days ago, I found a problem, a somewhat serious problem. Now, I initially installed these little pull noodles to protect the dragon fruit from bending, but as you can see, they're too low, so they're not really serving their purpose. And on this particular dragon fruit right here, you can see that it has bent and it has damaged the plant. Come over on this side here, but you can see where it has damaged the plant right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to relocate these pool noodles to a different area on the trellis, and then I'll probably kind of revamp the area with some fresh ties to tie these things on and keep them in place. There's some rather long ones that are growing out, so I may actually cut those off and replant them in the pot for another dragon fruit. So I'm just basically going to clean this whole area up and redo these pool noodles. They're not serving their purpose correctly, and I had suggested to my wife to get new pool noodles, but then the Lord whispered in my ear an idea that if I cut the pool noodles in half and put them on top, they'll serve the purpose better, and I won't have to go to the store and buy pool noodles. I was gonna buy like those big giant thick ones that are like 4 inches thick or 5 inches thick or something, but I think that by simply cutting these in half and sticking them up on the top will serve the purpose. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and again, I'll be revamping up the entire setup. But the pool trellis itself is an idea that I got from Kevin from Epic Gardening, a YouTube channel that I watch, and he's really excellent. So that's my goal for today, and we'll get this done. I got my scare bob up on top there to assist in scaring away the squirrels from, or rats, whatever is eating at these dragon fruits. So the tools that I'm going to be needing, I'm going to be needing a drill, a razor knife to cut the noodles in half, some screws, and then for some of the other stuff, I'll be using my pruning shears, and I've got these pieces of wood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a splinter on that bent piece of dragon fruit, and with these Velcro straps, and so I'll make a splinter for it to hopefully rejuvenate that plant and save that from dying. But that's the plan. So, and also, if you notice, I have pantyhose here, which pantyhose make an absolutely excellent thing for tying your plants. For the women in your lives, or the women watching, don't throw your pantyhose away if you have a garden. Save your pantyhose. They make good for tying up your tomatoes and dragon fruit and whatever else kind of plants that you may have. The old pantyhose are excellent for that. Just cut off the leg part of the pantyhose, and they make excellent ties for tomato plants and other kind of plants, whatever you may have. And then I also use Velcro, these little garden strips of Velcro. You can buy that at Home Depot. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, and I'll have hopefully have this thing done in a decent amount of time. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon. Well, this job is done. Here I've got everything redone. Everything is as it should be. Here's the splint that I put on this dragon fruit. I noticed a bud on this one right here. If it'll come into focus. Come on, phone. But right there is a bud. I don't know if that's going to make a flower or if it's going to make a new branch, but it's going to make something. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that, especially if it turns out to be a flower. That would be great, because then I'm going to get a fruit. But yeah, this is all done. I even staked up the little guys that I have in the back here. Now these two dragon fruit in these pots are yellow pitaya. So they have the yellow skin with the white flesh on the inside. Whereas these in the pots back here are pink skin with white flesh. And I've been nursing these guys for years, but due to various reasons they've been neglected, mainly because of my health. But I'm hoping that maybe this year, we can get these things growing and get them big and into a trellis situation. So I'm gonna work hard on these. But the job is done, and everything is as it should be. So and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.